Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on thriving through self-care and a positive mindset. In this fast-paced world, taking care of ourselves and having the right mindset is essential. Let's dive into some powerful strategies to help you lead a healthier, happier life. 1. Maintain a growth mindset. First, let's talk about maintaining a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Believe in your ability to improve. Focus on the bigger picture. Next, focus on the bigger picture. Sometimes, life's challenges can seem overwhelming. Step back, and remember your long-term goals and aspirations. Practice gratitude. Lastly, practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you are thankful for. It can shift your perspective in a profound way. 2. Self-care. Prioritize physical health. Now, let's shift our focus to self-care. Prioritize physical health through regular exercise and nourishing your body with nutritious food. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial. Ensure you get enough quality sleep each night. It rejuvenates both your body and mind. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques can help reduce stress. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to calm your mind and restore balance. Engage in hobbies and activities you enjoy. Don't forget to make time for hobbies and activities you enjoy. Engaging in activities you love can bring joy and fulfillment to your life. In conclusion, maintaining a growth mindset, focusing on the bigger picture, and practicing gratitude can set the foundation for a positive outlook on life. Self-care, including prioritizing physical health, getting enough sleep, practicing relaxation techniques, and enjoying your favorite hobbies, ensures you're at your best. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential for your well-being and your ability to face life's challenges. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. We love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on leading a happier and healthier life. Thank you for tuning in, and always remember to prioritize self-care and nurture a positive mindset.